What's up, y'all? This is Sergeant Boatwright, Doom Leader. I'm showing y'all a video of me raping some people in Call of Duty Black Ops. Sorry for the bad picture, but this is all I got for right now until I figure out how to do it.
Enemy care package incoming. Friendly default strike on the way. Engaging fire in the box. All defused. Spy planes ready for deployment. Care package ready for delivery. Marks it easy. Eyes on the way. Cobra, standing by.
As you can see, right now is demolition. I got 120 kills, 60 deaths. At the end of this video, I didn't get it all, but I go 164 kills. I think I got around 73 deaths. It's pretty good.
Care package ready for delivery. Marked it easy. Cobra, standing by.
As of right now, I'm 132 kills. I've only gained 1 death since this whole video. This is double XP weekend. And I think this is gonna be it. Alright, later guys.